Life's tight. Eat right. Start simple with MyPlate. It is important to vary your protein routine. Varying your source of protein several times a week helps ensure your body is getting the range of important nutrients, including B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium it needs to function well. Serve up lean cuts of meat, like beef sirloin, top round, or poultry, for a healthy, low-fat option that can be added to greens, or a sandwich, or enjoyed as is. Keep it tasty and healthy. Cooking method matters. Grilling, broiling, roasting, or baking can add flavor without extra fat and calories. Eat seafood twice a week by choosing heart-healthy options like salmon or canned tuna. Canned chicken or shrimp can be added to a salad as a tasty way to enjoy protein. Eat plant-based protein more often. Try beans, lentils, tofu, and seeds with your meals or as a snack. Enjoy peanut or other nut butters as a dip for apple slices and celery sticks. Vary your protein routine. Visit snapedny.org for more information, tips, and recipes. Save time, save money, eat healthy.